Is the language setting not working on the pop-up? If the app appears in the wrong language, you can change the language or your language preference isn't being saved. It can affect your overall app experience. So in this video, I will show you how to fix language on Popup App. The first thing you have to do is to go to Popup. Then here in this page, you will go to here you will find the sign of profile. You will tap on your profile, you will click on settings, find this page, you will go to select language, and here you can choose any language that you want to add it on your app. So this is how it works. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.